students, again we have connected here to learn through the e-learning program. A day before we have learned about the metals and non-metals, and we have learned so many things about the reactive metals and highly reactive metals and less reactive metals. I hope that you have done your assignment, and I hope that you have learned a little bit the names of the metals. Now today we will study the metallurgy. Students, have you thought any time that from where the metals will be obtained? In this topic we will study that how we can get metal from the ore. There is one new term, that is the ore. It is a sequence metallurgy. Actually metallurgy is the sequence of the process that are used for the extraction of the metal in their pure form from its ore. Ore is new term for you. Now let me discuss about the mineral and ores. We have to know the definition of the minerals and the ore. Minerals are naturally occurring inorganic compound found under deep surface of the earth, and ores are the minerals. It is also obtained from the deep surface of the earth, from which elements or the metals can be extracted easily and profitably. Now, what is the difference between the mineral and ores? All minerals are not ore. From all minerals we cannot extract the metal, but from all ores we can extract the metal. So whatever the metal present on the earth, that is extracted from any of the ore. So let me learn about the importance of the important ores. These all are metals. Here there are metals: aluminium, iron, zinc and copper. Aluminum, see the symbol is given, name of the ore is given, and chemical formula is also given.